Is your YouTube app not working on your LG Smart TV? Maybe it's freezing, lagging, or won't even open? Then follow my steps because I'm going to show you 5 different solutions to fix this problem. So make sure to watch until the very end so you don't miss any steps. The very first thing we need to do is perform a power cycle reset on your LG TV. This clears out temporary glitches and refreshes the system. To do this, completely unplug your LG TV from the wall socket or power strip. It doesn't matter if the TV is on or off, just pull the plug out. Now we need to find the physical power button on your TV. This is usually located on the bottom or back of your TV, sometimes under the LG logo, but it can also be on the left or right side. Once you find this button, press and hold it for 30 seconds. This drains all the remaining electrical charge from your TV. Keep holding it, even though the TV is unplugged. After 30 seconds, release the button. Now, before plugging the TV back in, you need to wait at least 10 minutes. This waiting period allows all internal components to fully reset, so be patient and set a timer. When the 10 minutes are up, plug your TV back in. One quick tip: if you are using a power strip, plug your TV directly into the wall socket instead. Sometimes power strips don't provide enough stable power and can cause YouTube app issues. Once plugged in, turn on your TV and check if YouTube is working now. Now, if the power cycle didn't solve your problem, the issue might be your internet connection. YouTube needs a stable connection to work properly, so let's check that. Press the settings button on your LG remote. It's the little gear icon, or locate it on your TV and select it. We'll open the Wi-Fi settings by tapping on the little Wi-Fi logo at the top, and then check if your connection is fast and stable. If it says disconnected, or if it looks like it has a weak signal, then try and restart your router, or find a faster and stabler internet connection. Sometimes your connection will have problems, and what you can do is to forget the network and then reconnect by re-entering your Wi-Fi password. Now, if YouTube still isn't working after checking your internet, we'll need to delete and reinstall the YouTube app completely. This gives you a fresh installation, which often solves stubborn problems. Navigate to the YouTube app using the arrow keys on your remote. Once YouTube is highlighted, press and hold the center button on your remote for about 2 seconds. A menu will appear above the app. Press the up arrow and select the trash bin icon. This will delete the YouTube app from your TV. Now we need to reinstall YouTube. Press the home button again and select the LG Content Store or Apps section. Once it opens, select the search icon. Type YouTube in the search bar. YouTube should appear in the results right away. Select YouTube from the search results and then select Install. The app will download and install automatically. This usually takes about a minute depending on your internet speed. Once installation is complete, select Launch and sign back into your YouTube account. The fresh installation should fix any corrupted files that were causing problems. And the very last solution you can try is to update your LG TV software itself. Sometimes outdated TV firmware causes compatibility issues with apps like YouTube. Press the Settings button on your remote and navigate to All Settings. Select Support, then select Software Update. Select Check for Updates, and your TV will search for available updates. If an update is available, select Install and wait for it to complete. Your TV might restart during this process. After the update finishes, open YouTube, and it should be working properly now. And those are 5 solutions to fix YouTube not working on your LG Smart TV. After following these steps, your YouTube app should be running smoothly again. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more TV tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.